Wi-Fi connected but still showing no internet access. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can fix that problem for Windows 11 or Windows 10 operating system. So I'm going to show you 3 steps which can solve this problem. So let's get started. So the first step is go to the search bar, then write here inetcpl.cpl. So this is the inetcpl.cpl. Double click on this. Then internet properties option is opening. Then click on connections. Then go to LAN settings. Then there is an option called proxy server. Use a proxy server for your LAN. So you make sure that this is not checked. It has to be unchecked. So for you it can be checked. So if it is checked, then click to unchecked. So then click on OK. Then click on apply. Then click on OK. So this is the first step. Let's go to the second step. The second step is again go to your search bar, then right here is ncpa.cpl, and click on ncpa.cpl, then go to Ethernet options, then right button on the Ethernet option, then go to properties. So the first thing here is make sure that your Internet Protocol version 6 is unchecked. So if it is checked, so you have to make sure that it is unchecked. The second option is Internet Protocol version 4. So for this, you have to click on the Internet Protocol version 4, then go to properties. Then in the general options, you will see that the first option is obtain an IP address automatically. So for you, it can be checked on this that use the following IP address. Don't you input the manual IP address. You have to select the option obtain an IP address automatically, and then and the down below you have to make sure that obtain DNS server address automatically. So make sure the both options, both the first options are selected. Then click on OK, then click on close. So the second step is done. Now let's go to the third stage. So the third step is go to settings, then go to network and internet, then go to advanced network settings, then go to network reset. Click on reset now. So the all the network connections of your Windows operating system will be reset. So now simply restart your computer. As you can see, the problem will be solved. So Wi-Fi connected but no internet access problem. 3 easy step, do it and you will have your problem solved. So thank you, thanks for watching.